boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Dermot Kennedy here, the song called Homeward. So we have these three chords, and we'll have this chord progression F, G, E minor, and F rolling here through the entire song. So pretty easy. Let's set our capo here on the 2nd fret. So let's take a look at the chords now. So the F will be a bar here on the 1st fret over all strings, and the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. The next chord is G, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And the final chord we need to know about is the E minor. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. So the chord progression will be F, G, E minor, F, and that is one round. It starts and ends with F. So let's take a look at the strumming pattern, and this one will cover 2 chords. We need to think a pair of chords here. So the first part, or the first chord, will be just down clap. So the F now, down clap. And what I do here, I usually clap like this over all strings, but sometimes, like in this song for instance, I want the strings to ring out a little bit more, so I just clap on the bass E string here. That's enough, and the rest of the strings will sound and ring out, okay? So just clap on the E string. So down clap, that's the part 1, and then you shift to the next chord, in this case the G, and play down, down clap. And that is one strumming around. And so you're gonna play in the same way when you shift to the next chord, E minor, you play part 1 there, down clap, and the final chord F, down, down clap. And that is one round, and that is what you're gonna play from the beginning till the end here. So let's go for a couple of rounds, and that will end this song. So thank you for watching, guys, and play tuned.